What's up, guys? I'm back. We're going to be prepping some icing for marbling of cookies. I'm using Wilton Royal icing recipe from the back of the Wilton meringue. I'm using about half a cup, and I'm going to thin this out with water so we get a nice runny consistency. Now, if this is your first time dipping cookies, you might want to add a little bit less water, but this is what I feel comfortable with. So this is what I use. So we're going to be using airbrush color, and it's water based. And we're going to toss a little alcohol based airbrush color in the mix too and see what happens. So drop it, take a chopstick, swirl it, flip it and reverse it, and then dip. So I'm going to shut up so you guys can watch the video and enjoy the tunes. Alright guys, so it didn't work. And the reason it didn't work is because it is alcohol based. So the airbrush colors that I'm using from AmeriColor are water based, and you could probably use like a gold sheen that they have, but I didn't have any on hand, so I thought I would try this alcohol based gold, and it didn't work. So womp womp, but I do have a workaround, so stay tuned because your girl's gonna get the gold, okay?
you want, the less you let things upset you.
Alright guys, this is where I figure out how I'm going to get the gold. So I am walking around my table to grab some gold luster dust, dry gold luster dust, and I'm going to put this in the bowl, and it's going to look crazy. It's going to look like the gold is just going to take over, but it works beautifully. So I'm really hoping you guys are enjoying this video. I want to know what you guys think about this more long form, basically unedited footage. I just put the thing on record and worked through the process, including the fails and what worked. So let me know what you guys think. Please comment below, please subscribe, and enjoy the rest of this video.
And the more you know who you are and what you want, the less you let things upset you.